Yes guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing the racingline turbo muffler delete on the Polo GTI. So guys, the muffler delete is actually located behind the airbox. Now luckily on the Polo there is actually enough room just to remove the inlet hose to then get the turbo muffler delete off and then the new one on. Whereas on the Golfs and stuff, I think the battery is sort of in the way, so you do have to remove a few more bits. But all you want to do is get your, I believe it's a T30 Torx bit. Get in there, remove the 3 bolts, and then you can swap out for your new muffler delete. Now I didn't actually film myself putting the racingline one in the car, but just a couple notes for you guys to take. Do use a little bit of the oil that is left in the hole where the old muffler delete was to lube up the new O-rings going in so they go in nice and smooth and seal correctly. The way in which the O-rings actually sit on the new one is different to the old one. I believe it is better and does create a better seal. But I will give you my verdict of the muffler delete right at the end of the video. If you are enjoying the content on the channel guys and you're liking this video, please leave a like down below and leave a comment as well to give me any future video ideas. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I make a new upload. So just a couple common misconceptions with these muffler deletes guys. The manufacturers of these products do say that it increases throttle response and increases the airflow through the induction system. However, I'll be honest with you, the data that I've seen for that, it kind of isn't true, but I'll show you why they say it's true. So here's the standard one, and I will put a clip of me taking that out in a sec, but you can see there's these holes in it, these baffles, to basically mute the sound coming out of the turbo, whereas in the muffler delete, this one's from Racingline, it's completely smooth, which they say increases the airflow. However, and I'll give you guys a link to this down below, there is a guy, I believe over in America, that has done a lot of air testing on different products for the EA888 platform, and he found no increase in airflow with this. So all I would say, this one does look a little different to the ones I've seen before. Maybe this one does increase airflow. However, I think a safe bet is just to say, get these if you want to increase the sound of your turbo, but don't expect any more performance out of your engine. So guys, it is now installed on the car, as you can see just here. Give you guys a good shot of that. Yeah, so looks pretty cool. Not that I'm actually going to see it, but time to put all this back together, and then we're going to go out on a drive and listen to how it sounds. I'll put a few before and after clips in as well to see if you can see a difference, but I suspect I won't really notice it on idle or when the turbo has no sort of anything happen to it, but I reckon when I'm actually on boost out on the streets it will sound pretty cool. So guys, what's my verdict of the muffler delete? Well, I'm a bit disappointed with it in all fairness. I've seen videos before where people have put it on their Golf Rs and stuff like that with the IS38 turbo, and it has made a noticeable difference on video for those guys. However, I can't really tell the difference, if I'm honest. I think the sound difference is probably minimal, and because my exhaust is so loud, I do think that sort of drowns out the sound a little bit. But all I would say is if you are going to get one, I'd only really invest in it if maybe the seal on your old one is gone, because actually that seal was pretty horrible. It was like really thin and kind of worn away, so I'm sort of glad I swapped it out for that reason. However, if you don't need to swap it out, I wouldn't bother on this platform, especially with the IS20. If you've got a bigger turbo, yeah, maybe it'll make more of a difference, but overall, probably not worth the money. I would also say that performance-wise, I've not really noticed anything. There's no quicker spooling time or anything like that. I think it's purely for sound, and I haven't noticed much of that, as you've seen in those clips, guys. I did put the mic actually in the engine bay, and I think it was maybe a little bit too intrusive. Regrettably, I didn't film it when I was inside the cabin, however. Yeah, but that's my verdict, guys. If you do want to get one, go ahead and get one, but don't be expecting big things from it. If you did enjoy the video, guys, please leave a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos coming up very soon. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.